Hey, if you're trying to upload content on Patreon and not really sure where to start, yeah, it can feel a bit confusing at first. But I'll keep it simple and walk you through everything step by step. First, log into your Patreon account and go to your creator page. On the left side menu, click on Posts, then hit Create. This is basically where all your uploads begin, so yeah, this is your starting point. Now choose what you want to upload. It could be images, videos, audio, or even just written posts. You can drag and drop files directly, or click Upload and wait a few seconds while it processes. Next, decide who can actually see your post. You can make it public, available to all members, or restrict it to specific paid tiers. This part is really important if you're doing paid content, so take a moment and double-check it. Before publishing, add a clear title and a short description. You can also include tags or links if needed. And yeah, try to keep it clean and organized so your post doesn't look messy or hard to read. Now you can either publish your post immediately or schedule it for later. Just pick the date and time you want, and Patreon will automatically post it for you without you doing anything else. And that's it, your content is now live on Patreon. Pretty simple once you get used to it. If this helped, you can like or subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.